Welcome everyone to English Lit Stories, where learning English is simple, natural, and fun. Today we have something really special for you, a friendly conversation between Emma and John on the topic Easy English, from morning to evening. In this video, we'll walk through a full day using simple, everyday English that you can easily understand and use in real life. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your daily routine, from the time you wake up in the morning to the time you go to bed at night. This conversation will help you understand real English, improve your listening and speaking skills, and build useful vocabulary for daily life. Make sure to listen carefully, pause and repeat after each line, and note down important phrases you hear. If you follow along and practice every day, this video will help you speak English naturally and fluently. This is the second video in our 3-month English speaking course, where we guide you step by step through real-life conversations. Before we begin, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Lit Stories, and let's start today's lesson. Easy English from morning to evening.
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Emma.
Good morning, John. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Just a little sleepy. Mornings are always hard.
I know. So, Emma, tell us, how does your day usually start?
Well, my day usually starts around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is open my eyes slowly and check the time on my phone. Then, I take a deep breath and try to get out of bed. That's the hardest part. After that, I make my bed. I think making your bed first thing in the morning really helps you feel organized. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After freshening up, I drink a glass of warm water. It's good for your health and it helps me wake up properly. Then, I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. I love that smell in the morning. While drinking my coffee, I sometimes listen to soft music or a short English podcast. It's my way of starting the day in a positive way. After that, I prepare breakfast, usually toast with eggs or some fruit. I eat while checking my messages or reading the news. Around 8 o'clock, I take a shower, get dressed, and do light makeup before leaving home. If the weather is nice, I walk to work. It takes around 15 minutes, and I enjoy watching the city waking up. That's pretty much my morning routine.
That sounds perfect, peaceful, and productive. I like how you keep everything balanced.
Thank you. What about you, John? What's your morning routine like?
My mornings are a bit different. I wake up around 7. The first thing I do is stretch. It helps me feel awake. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I usually make a cup of coffee and check my emails while drinking it. For breakfast, I keep it simple, usually cereal or oatmeal. Sometimes, when I'm running late, I just grab a banana. Then I take a shower, get dressed, and drive to work while listening to the radio. That's how my mornings usually go.
That's a nice routine too. Simple and healthy. Let's quickly explain some common phrases we used in our morning routines.
Great idea.
Wake up means to open your eyes and stop sleeping.
And get up means to leave the bed. So you wake up first, then get up.
Make your bed means to arrange your blanket and pillow after you wake up.
Freshen up means to wash your face and brush your teeth in the morning.
Grab a banana means to take something quickly when you don't have time.
And leave for work means to start your journey to the office.
Excellent. So these are useful phrases you can practice every morning.
All right, let's move to the next part. Afternoon. Emma, what do you usually do after lunchtime?
Well, my afternoons are usually busy because of work. Around 1 o'clock, I have lunch. Sometimes I bring food from home, and sometimes I eat with my coworkers. After lunch, I take a short walk outside the office. It helps me relax and stay active. Then I come back and check my emails or attend meetings. If I have free time in the afternoon, I like to drink some green tea and listen to calm music while working. Around 4:30, I review what I've done for the day and write a small list of tasks for tomorrow. That's my typical afternoon.
Sounds productive. For me, I usually eat lunch around 12:30. I often go out with my colleagues to a nearby cafe. We chat about random things, movies, sports, or travel. After lunch, I'd take a few minutes to walk around before getting back to work. In the afternoon, I focus on meetings, emails, and finishing my reports. Around 5 p.m., I wrap up and get ready to leave.
Nice. I think we both have busy afternoons. Let's explain some new phrases for our learners.
Sure.
Take a short walk means to walk for a few minutes, usually for relaxation.
Check my emails means to look at your messages on your computer or phone.
Wrap up means to finish your work or task.
Go out with colleagues means to leave the office together, maybe for lunch.
These are all super common expressions we use every day.
Okay, let's move to the evening. What's your evening routine like, Emma?
After work, I walk home. The first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes. Then I relax for a few minutes and maybe check social media. Around 7, I start cooking dinner. I like simple meals like pasta, rice with vegetables, or soup. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and then sit down to watch a TV show or a YouTube video. Around 9, I like to study a bit, maybe read an English article or review some new words. I try not to use my phone too much before bed. Around 10:30, I get ready for sleep and read a short story before closing my eyes.
That sounds peaceful. My evenings are quite similar. After work, I drive home and take a shower. Then I eat dinner. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food. After that, I like to call my family and talk for a while. Later, I usually watch sports highlights or a movie. I go to bed around 11 p.m.
That's great. Let's explain a few more useful phrases.
Sure.
Change into comfortable clothes means to wear something casual after work.
Relax for a few minutes means to rest or take a break.
Get ready for bed means to brush your teeth and prepare to sleep.
Turn off the lights means to switch them off before sleeping.
These small phrases are used every evening. Make sure to practice them.
So that's our whole day from morning to evening.
Yes. Friends, now it's your turn. Try to describe your own routine in simple English.
Start like this. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I cook dinner.
Exactly. Repeat it daily and you'll start speaking English naturally.
Remember, practice a little every day. That's the secret to fluency.
And don't forget, this is our second video in the 3-month English speaking course.
Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Lit Stories for more conversations.
See you in the next conversation. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep practicing English every day.